Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Phi and this is Money Philosophy. Today we will start a new series on technical analysis on Shopify, ticker symbol SHOP. The reason I want to go over Shopify is because it's a great stock for day trading, and I think a lot of my viewers on this channel are day traders, so I'd love to share with you technical analysis on Shopify. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. I am a growth stock investor and a trader, and I'd love to share with you my investing and trading journeys. Let's get right into the technical analysis for Shopify, August the 24th. First, let's take a look at the daily chart here. Shopify today had a gap up. It ended the day yesterday at around 1481, and it gapped up today about a $30 gap up at 1508, 1510, and then it went all the way to the high of the day of 1563. It has retraced a little bit since the price right now is 1543, and it has been moving above 50 days SMA, which is the white line here. I also put a white dotted line here so that I can track the 50 days SMA on a smaller time frame. The resistance level that I have right now is the next resistance level is 1586, and then of course all-time high of about 1650. Volume today is pretty good for Shopify. It is at 95%, and we are only at 2:30 Eastern Standard Time, so we still have about an hour and a half to go, which tells me that there are bullish momentum for Shopify. It could potentially run faster and more furiously to the upside tomorrow. So let's take a look at the smaller time frame, beginning with the hourly chart. So as usual, I have my pivot lines here. As you can see that it spiked through my top pivot line, got through. The first resistance that I have here was 1526. The next resistance was 1549, spiked through both of them, retraced a little bit, but right now it is at 1544, 1545. If Shopify ends the day around this area, then tomorrow is a very good day, potentially bullish day for Shopify. The trading range is from 1591. The middle pivot point is 1539, and the bottom is 1516. So one thing to note with Shopify is that it tends to have a multi-day bullish run. So all you got to do is to wait for a potential huge bullish run and then start entering at the bottom, hopefully. So you can see here, this is back in May. It also had a multi-day bullish run, consolidate, and then went to another multi-day bullish run, which is essentially a breakout of a bull flag that created from here. And then it consolidated for a little bit and started with another multi-day bullish run. There's another potential for a multi-day bullish run now that I see at least two bullish candles here. The key is to wait for a good entry point, and I think that could be tomorrow when Shopify opens. So if Shopify ends the day at around 1540, which is where it is at right now, and tomorrow it opens either flat or with a mini gap down. So for example, if it opens at 1535 or 1540, I definitely take a call and bring it all the way up to about 1586. That would be the first price target for Shopify. I wouldn't enter today to swing because it could gap down tomorrow and the premium could be substantially deflated. So I definitely would wait for the market to open. But given the bullish candle here and the gap unfilled here, I think that if Shopify even just opened flat, I will still enter a call. On the 30-minute chart here, you can see that it has been consolidating for the last few days and then start breaking out today. So I think that the breakout could be continued through tomorrow. You can see that the buy volume for the first hour or the first 30 minutes of today was pretty big. The overall volume is also very high. It is at 100% right now, and we still have another hour to go. So that is how I trade Shopify. I would wait for a confirmed bull run and then I would enter. I could potentially hold multiple days, but it depends on my price target. If it hits my price target fast in the morning, if it gets to 1586 first thing in the morning, I probably would just take off the call. The next resistance level for me is 1650, which is pretty aggressive at this point. RSI seems to be okay. It's not yet in the overbought territory. So I think Shopify has some more room to run. So this is it for this video. I hope you find the information helpful, and I hope that you would find the right opportunity to enter your trade in the morning. Comment down below if you'd like more insight on similar stocks like this. I try to make one video per stock just because it's a lot easier to concentrate and edit for you guys. But let me know what your interest is, and I could potentially expand to more ticker symbols for you guys. Until the next video, bye.